What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Most Incredible, back with an incredible video. Hold up, wait a minute. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Most Incredible, back with an incredible kicks video. So y'all look today, I already said in the title, y'all know what we doing. We unboxing a shoe that shop dropped last week, because I got it on Wednesday. I got the shoes Wednesday, so they had to drop last Thursday. And they got shipped to me last Wednesday. They got shipped to me Wednesday. I had the shoes, waiting on the shoes for the longest. They finally in my hands. I already opened the box up because I didn't want to try to see my address. I should have turned the box around and all this other stuff. But I already opened the box up. Straight came out of Nike. When they did that shot drop at 2 o'clock on last Thursday. Because I was working. I was off that Wednesday. They didn't shot drop. Okay, yeah. So they shot dropped last Thursday on Sneakers app, and they finally got to me on Wednesday of this week. So you already know what shoe I'm talking about, right? Y'all see them around YouTube. The early people got them, and all that. But your boy got him a pair. Your boy got him a pair. Let me say it again. Your boy got him a pair. You feel me? So, yo, these are the playoff eights. The playoff eights, man. It's Reed. Air Jordan 8 Retro. Black, white, black, true red, white. So your boy got him a pair of playoff eights. Finally, yo, when they said that these shoes were going to come out this year, I said, I got to get them. I gotta get them. Like there's no way that I could have missed on these pairs. There was no way I could have missed on this one. There's no way impossible I could have missed on these. Man, look at this. Look at these eights, man. Look at this. Look at these eights. Come on, man. How dare y'all think I was gonna miss out on these? And then I got the man. So I'm gonna tell y'all a little story behind. Let me put these things down right quick. Let me put them down right quick. It's gonna be a brief little minute of how I got these shoes. I got when I first found out about it, it was gonna be dropping at 2 o'clock. I'm like, all right, cool. Let me rush through my work and get back to the yard. So when 2 o'clock come, I could be standing still. I won't be moving. I won't be driving my truck around. None of that, man. So I rushed, but I had traffic. I was trying to fight traffic to get back to my job. But man, lucky enough, yo, when I did fight the traffic to get back to the job, I was good because I sit in the truck. It was like 1:59 when I got back to the job. So when I got back, then I was sitting down waiting and all this other good stuff. Man, by the time I got back, when I got to the job at 1:59, I sat in my truck for another minute, and 2 o'clock came, and I went in for that kill. I didn't use both of my phones. I only used that one phone, and that was my personal phone, not my work phone. So when I did that, I just like, hey, if it's meant to be, it'll be. And I prayed about it, and my prayer came through. Your boy prayer came through. Now you feel me? My prayer came through because Lord knows I wanted these right here. Damn, these things are nice. And these are my first pair of eights in my collection, in my new collection. Let me say that. Fresh pair, brand new, fresh out the box. Hey, y'all, I had to sit there and think about it, but Jordan wore the infrared sixes, I think it was the Raptor 7. Yeah, the Raptor 7s, these playoff 8s, of course. The Bread 11s, the playoff 12s, and the Last Shots 14s. So I'm only missing one shoe out of this collection, out of my collection that Jordan won the championship in. I'm only missing one. And let me tell y'all this. This is one of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Duh. Why did I do that just now? Because he won 6 championship rings. Duh. So yes, I'm only missing one. That's the 7s. So I'm going to wait around. I'm going to wait till the end of this year to see if they're going to bring them back out, or I'm going to try to cop a brand new pair of the sevens, of the playoff sevens. So let's see when the last time the playoff sevens released. I don't really know the dates like that, y'all. So y'all gotta work with me on this. If y'all know the date, then drop it down below before. Well, then again, no, it ain't. Y'all might watch the video, then y'all can say, "Oh yeah, they released on this day." But let's look it up, y'all. Yeah, they dropped in 2012. So the last pair dropped in 2012, and GOAT got a fresh pair for 507. So I definitely won't be buying those. So I'm gonna have to wait it out to see when they're gonna come back out, because I ain't about to buy no shoes for no 507. Nah, not happening. Not happening. Nah, I'm not doing it. So don't even think I'm about to do it because I'm looking on my phone. That's definitely not about to happen. But I'll just wait for them to come back out, because I'm not about to pay no $500 for those. But anyways, this is my video on my playoff eights that released on last Thursday. The shot drop on Sneakers app. I got my pair. I hope y'all secure y'all pair that day. If not, y'all got till what, the 30th? Let me check. I ain't got all my facts together, and man, I gotta check for this, check for that. Man, what am I doing? What am I good for, right? Yep. September 30th at 2:10. September 30th. So, with that being said, y'all, these shoes right here, man, these are probably one of my top 10 in my collection. My top 10 in my collection is these right here. These gotta be it. Like, there's no way in hell that I cannot put these in my top 10. Man, look at that. These shoes are butter, boy. These things are nice. These things are really nice. I like them. They got the little yellow on the bottom of them, and I have to throw that little yellow in there, man. These are nice though. These are nice. But this your boy, Incredible Kicks. I don't really got much to say right about now. Gotta get that shoe smell in there, man. These new shoe smells are the best thing you could ever smell. The best smell you could ever smell. They smell better than some of y'all out here. You know what I'm saying? They smell something better than some of y'all out here. But nah, yo, this your boy Most Incredible, and I'm out with the video, out with this Incredible Kicks video. But man, I can't stop looking at these things. Look at them, y'all. These things are nice, bro. These things are nice. But I hope that everybody who got a chance to hit on the shoes that day early, I hope y'all was able to secure your pairs. You know, cause ain't nothing wrong. Ain't nothing like some playoff that he wore. That he didn't wear these, but I'm saying though, he wore the number and he wore this design in the championship. But yeah, I love him. Yes, sir. But yo, this your boy Most Incredible Kicks, and I'm out with a video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, comment to the video, tell a friend about the video, tell your mama about the video, tell your daddy about the video, tell your sister about the video, tell your brother about the video. You can tell who you want to tell about the video, but just tell them, share the video. Come on, man, help me help you. I like them. I like them. Yo.